Australia, 1932. The Army faced no human enemy, but giant, flightless birds. Today, we'll explore one of history's strangest wars, the Emu War. After the Great Depression, farmers in Western Australia struggled to protect their crops. Then, an unexpected invader appeared, emus. Around 20,000 of them ravaged wheat fields. Farmers turned to the government. The answer? Send in the army. In November 1932, Army personnel armed with machine guns launched an operation. But the emus were fast, splitting into groups. Bullets missed, soldiers grew tired. One soldier said, "These birds were practically bulletproof." Nearly 10,000 rounds were fired, but the emus won. The army withdrew, leaving farmers to fend for themselves. Even today, Australians recall the Emu War with laughter and a little embarrassment. Imagine a war where humans carried weapons, but the winners were birds. The Emu War reminds us that nature always stays one step ahead.